ושל העם הארמני ושל כל בני אדם באשר הם. And the children that you might have, that you will have, will carry, במזל טוב, will carry the memories in the blood, in the flesh. There will be something new, with roots, with continuity. I'm sure in that. You are a very special case in the history of Judaism. I don't know if there's been such a case since Ruth HaMoavia, and I'm sure there is a reason for everything, and the Kadosh Baruch Hu is looking and is very happy with you, and I don't know what is the reason, but I feel privileged, and everybody here should feel privileged that they've been in this wedding, because this is, I do many weddings. This is a wedding with much blessing, much blessing. Very different than all the weddings I'm doing. Very different.
אם אשכחך ירושלים, תשכח ימיני, תדבק לשוני לחיקי, אם לא אזכרכי, אם לא אעלה את ירושלים, על ראש שמחתי. I can't handle